Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we have some news about some Android and PC handheld devices coming soon. In recent times, there is not much information about domestic handheld consoles. So, let's talk to you about some other products this week. A new 7-inch WIN handheld console called NanoPlay is about to be launched on overseas crowdfunding platforms, expected to start at $499. It will be equipped with AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, and its sharp-edged body shape and high-contrast color matching are very obvious features. It comes with mentioning the powerful details of the device. The device comes with a 16GB version of LPDDR5 RAM with an IPS LCD screen with a frame rate of 165 frames per second, and this seems to be something unprecedented in a handheld PC screen currently. The device comes with a battery size of 1245 mAh with a device width of 260 mm and 105 mm. A device thickness of up to 30 mm and a weight of 700 grams. There is currently no more information from the brand. If there are viewers who know the situation, please leave a message in the comment area. With the device, Xinghua's new gaming power bank is being crowdfunded overseas. It has a front-facing 6-button design, supports 10 types of emulators, and has a 10,000 mAh battery capacity. Currently, this product is sold in China, with prices starting at 368 yuan. The device comes. Handheld recently launched two low-end handheld consoles, with prices starting at 235 yuan and 110 yuan respectively. New appearance of handles from GKD. Both GKD Mini Plus's grips and Peijitang's X39 Pro seem to have new transparent versions. Overseas gaming equipment brand Retrobit has recently launched a wireless Sega Saturn controller. The new model is equipped with a Hall joystick and can be adapted to more game consoles. The price is 370 yuan.